So we are discussing working with a list, and as we know that list is nothing but collection of comma separated item in a square bracket, and you can do a lot of things with the list. You can change the list. That's the most important part. Lists are mutable. You can change that. How about combining two lists together? So this is my list and I create your list, and I just give it value 55, 66, 77. So if I just give my list plus your list, so you'll see, so this is how we can add two list item. We can create a third list, which is nothing but addition of, when I say addition, it's not adding the item separately. What it is doing, it is creating a new list and it is putting these item plus the item from the second list. Okay, I can perform slicing based on, suppose I just say if I want to create slicing, but I'm not giving any limit, no starting point, no ending point. So this will give you a shallow list, a shallow copy of the list. We'll discuss the shallow copy and deep copy in a separate video. Right now I'm just trying to give you introduction, what does a list look like. Okay, so in Python, in other language, what will you create? Array. We have list here. We are not creating array directly as the language built-in data type itself. We have list. You can use list at many places. Suppose I want to have, what happens if I give upper limit less than the lower limit. Suppose I want start from 5 till 3. That's what we so generally we do, start from 3 till 5. Yes, so it will give you empty list, because if I start from 5, I am not going to give upper limit less than that. Your upper limit is always more than the lower limit. So if you give 6, 5 to 6, okay, my list doesn't have, so I give 3, start from 3, go to 2, start from 3, go to 3. That's just no item. Start from 3, go to 4. Now you have item. Okay, so the point is your upper limit should be more than the lower limit, whatever you are having here. Now if I need to have, suppose I just skip the upper limit, so start from 3, then I just skip the upper limit. So if you skip the upper limit, whatever items are there after 3, that will be used. So no matter how many items are there, it will just print everything. Suppose I skip lower limit and I directly give till 4. So everything starting from the beginning till 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 item, the fourth position is excluded, and we are taking this item. What happens if I give double colon? So you can see 1, 2, 3. So take the list, then again take the list. Okay, so it's nothing, just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same list itself here.